Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tony. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Calendar effectively. I know you might have been using Google Calendar before now, but trust me, you don't know of these features. I hope you're aware that Google Calendar isn't only for scheduling. Let's dive right in. Open your browser, click the 9 dots menu on the top right, select calendar, and here you're in. So to create an event, you click on create at the top left and then you give your event a title. Make sure you add a title to your event. It is very important because it makes you and your client or your boss know what exactly the meeting is about, or even your colleagues at work. So make sure you pick the date, the month, and the particular time that the meeting is going to be holding, and make sure you also choose the duration. So is the meeting going to occur for 45 minutes or for 1 hour? Pick for all day. If the meeting is on a daily basis, pick all day, so you just know that it's a recurring event instead of it going back and forth. And then if it's going to be on a daily basis, choose daily. Or if it is weekly on Tuesday, just pick, there are options there. And you also want to consider the time zone. So if you work with a client that is in the UK or the United States, you need to consider that and probably just set it in their own timing so you don't keep getting confused over the timing. You scroll and then look for a particular time and then you pick it and make sure you click on okay. And if you just want to use your current location, you put in your current time zone there. Then you add your guests. Who are those that this meeting concerns? You add them, include their emails there. And one sweet thing about this is you can generate link automatically. Yeah, this is one good advantage of Google Calendar. So instead of you, creating Google link one after the other, this will do that for you and even auto send the link to everyone that you include their emails here, right there. Then don't forget to also include, in the description, the agenda, or whatever it is that you want them to know ahead of time. And then you pick, whichever color it is that you use for meeting. Make sure you're consistent with the colors, set it to public, and yeah, that's all for creating events. Then you save it. Make sure you save. It's very important that you save your event. So one of my favorite features is color coding. I use different colors for different categories. Trust me. Blue for meetings, yellow for deadlines, such that looking at my calendar at a glance, I know what exactly I have ahead of me for the day or for the week, and this is what it looks like. So it's always so good to color code your calendar. It gives you clarity. You're not confused on what exactly it is. And this is how to do it, just the same way we created event. You create your event, follow the same step, and then you come down. You see where this name is, right? Just follow my arrow. Where the circle color is, just pick it and then choose whichever color and stick to it. So if you're choosing purple, for example, for meetings, make sure that same meeting is in purple. Not that for today team meeting is in green and tomorrow that same team meeting, the same meeting, you're using color red for it or orange. Next is reminders and notifications. So click on your event just like we did earlier. Add notification. You can see the options here. Do you want to receive the notification via email or you want it to pop up on your phone? Then what time do you want it to pop up? Is it 30 minutes to your meeting? Is it 40 minutes, an hour? And even have, there are options, several options. You want to schedule it a day before, you want to be reminded a day before, 24 hours before. Make sure you choose it. Just, this 40 minutes, you change the time here to 24, then you pick minutes and then you change it to hours. It is just that simple. And also, if you have several events, like the same event occurring on a daily basis, make sure you change it to this event and following ones. You can also share your calendars with your colleagues, your family, or anyone, your clients, your boss, especially if you work as an executive assistant. Just click on the 3 dots next to your calendar, go to settings, and enter the person's email. You can see here, just come down here And then you see this option where there's plus, add people and add groups. This is where you input their details, their email details, and voila, enter the person's email, and that's it. You've seen people's email and then you wonder how this is done, sending to different countries, timing here. This is how it is done. You go to your setting in this same email, then you scroll down, then make sure your display secondary time zone. That is it. This is a secondary time zone. Make sure it is on. If it is not ticked in blue, that means you don't want it there. Make sure you tick it and then pick the exact country that you want, input the exact time zone. And the label here is so important because for me it makes me know, okay, what country am I looking at, because I might not really be able to tell, okay, GMT plus this 01 is this country. Then the label is what exactly we show on top, so you know what country it is that you're dealing with. And you can even change your prime time zone to it, and then you come back here and this is what you have. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you watched to this point. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when I upload more content. Thank you.